Hi everybody. We are making chocolate chia pudding today. I'm Nora Day. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. And I want to show you a super easy chocolate chia pudding. Those of you that are following me know that I love to make my nut milks. If you haven't seen my nut milk video on how to make chocolate cashew nut milk, you need to watch that because this is my chocolate cashew nut milk. I made this and I want you guys to try and make your own milks because it's better for you without preservatives, dyes, fillers, all of that nasty stuff when you buy it in a box or a carton in the grocery store. So here is my chocolate cashew nut milk. It's already done. This is the beauty of how easy your chia pudding will be when you make your own nut milks. I am going to pour my cashew nut milk into a 16-ounce mason jar. Mason jars are great because they seal so nicely and you can easily put them in the refrigerator. So I'm going to fill this up. For my chia pudding, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of chia pudding to this 16 ounces. Got to have the strength to open up your mason jars. But once you can open them, they're great, really. Okay, 4 tablespoons. It will become very gelatin, and you want to keep this in the refrigerator after you do this for about, I would say at least 3 to 4 hours. The best way is to put your chia pudding in the refrigerator overnight and then it's perfect in the morning. But if you can't wait, I would say 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator and you're pretty good to go. So you want to really mix it well. You want to get all the chia seeds coated. They have a tendency to stick on the sides of your jar. So you really want to mix it really good. This is a nice treat for breakfast. It's also a nice treat for even a dessert since we are making chocolate. It feels like a decadent little dessert, one that is good for you with the chia seeds, with all the omegas in it. And of course you have the cashew nut milk, so it's high in protein. So it's a wonderful little snack or a breakfast. So once you've mixed that nicely, put the lid on and you are going to put it in the refrigerator. That's it. And again, the other nice thing about using glass mason jars is you can always shake it, mix it, put it in the refrigerator, you're done. That's how easy it is. Again, homemade milk, the best. Chocolate is fantastic. You're gonna love this recipe. It's fantastic, easy. You can always put toppings on here if you want to put chocolate chips, if you want to put blueberries, strawberries. After it sits in the refrigerator, put some toppings on and you have a great little treat for yourself. And you're being kind to your body, your tummy, and everything is happy and healthy. So thank you guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel. If you want notifications of new videos that I have, make sure and click the bell in the top right-hand corner and you will get notifications every time I put out a new video. As always, if you have requests of anything you'd like me to make in the kitchen, please put it down below. And I'll also put the link below for my wonderful homemade cashew nut milk, the chocolate cashew nut milk. It'll be in the description below, so you can click on that as well. Thanks again and have a beautiful day, everybody. If you like that video, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you want notifications of new videos, click the little bell in the right-hand corner. Thank you.